This is just a public service announcement for really anyone that's on Facebook, does a Google search, or anything like that. Hey, this is Scott Wadkiewicz, a storyteller with a camera talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. And in this video, I just want to shed some light on something that is quite troublesome, and it's not going away anytime soon. You might be noticing this hat that I'm wearing. It says Imagely. It's the company that I work for full-time. It's a company that makes WordPress themes, plugins, and turnkey websites for photographers. This is a really nice hat. It is a hat that is made by Yapung. I don't know. The same company makes FlexFit hats, so it's part of that hat family. Back in like August or September, I got permission to order a one-off hat embroidered with the Imagely logo to wear at Photo Plus Expo. And I did some Google searches and came across this company that looked amazing. Their specialty was doing embroidered one-off hats for businesses. But of course, I'm not the type of person to just order right because I see something. I'll have to do some more research and look for reviews and things like that. And what happened, I did get suckered in because I started getting Google ads for this company, and I started getting Facebook ads for this company because that's how marketing works. There's tracking pixels on each site, and if you go one place, you go... It's exactly what photographers should be doing. Take note of this. But what happened is that I ordered it in, whatever I said, August, September, something like that, for the trade show, Photo Plus Expo, which was in October. It's now January 2020, and the hat just came. It took that long. It took that long for one hat to arrive. I could have just gone to Lids in the mall and gotten this hat because, well, first, they would have done it. They would have done it right then and there. It may not be this hat. This is the hat that I wanted. But if I go to a Lids, it may not be this hat. It might be a basketball, baseball type hat. It won't be this sort of more casual hat. And as it turns out, the color's a little off, and the stitching is just not that impressive. It looks a little fuzzy. It doesn't look crisp. On screen and from far away, it actually looks not so bad. It looks okay. But when you get close, you can really see the difference. Now, I was doing this as a test for two things. One, to see if this is something that Imagely can do for customers, for employees, to just get a bunch of these hats without having to buy them in hundreds, right? But also for my photography business. I wanted to check out their embroidery services, both the quality and the speed of production, and I was highly disappointed. Now, this company makes hats. They have an alter ego company, a sister company, who makes t-shirts, embroidered shirts. And, well, I won't be buying from them. What wound up happening is, after months of complaining and questioning and things of trying to figure out what is going on with my order, I asked for a refund. They said, well, how about we give you a 30% refund or 40% refund or whatever it was. And they gave me a refund. Well, they gave Imagely a refund because I didn't pay for it, and Imagely did. The refund was processed, and then the hat still took another 2 months to arrive. Then they came back and they said, well, we had a problem with our shipping company, and that basically was excuse after excuse. Whatever the excuse is, they should have owned up to it. They should have just refunded the order, and so be it. Now, I wasn't going to go crazy over a $30 product to one-off product with a $10 setup fee for the embroidery. I wasn't going to go crazy over $40 total. But still, when you see ads, when you go to a website and you start seeing ads for whatever the product or service is that you're looking at, and you're seeing it all over the place, whether you're on Reddit or Twitter or Facebook or YouTube or wherever, if you are seeing a review, or if you are seeing the product and you don't dig deep into the product or service reviews, both positive and negative, and do searches for people's experiences, you could be as disappointed as I am with this hat. So this is a two-part video. One is that public service announcement to please be aware when you start seeing ads. If you view a product on Amazon, and then you go to Facebook and you start seeing those ads come up, which they will, over and over again, don't just pick up the product. It could be a horrible product. Do your research first. Part 2 of this video is to just say, don't do that. Yes, you should be advertising, you should be remarketing with advertising, but always produce quality services with your photography business. Don't risk the negative reviews. Don't risk somebody doing a video like what I'm doing right now about your photography business. Go out of your way for your clients, because if you don't, Not only will you get negative reviews online, but you won't get the referrals that you want. And you can get more business with word of mouth than you could through online, through SEO, through social media, through email marketing. Word of mouth is always going to win the day. And by the way, word of mouth is also through Facebook and stuff, so it's kind of social media as well, but you get the drift, right? Will I be wearing the hat? Of course I will. It's an Imagely hat. I'll be wearing it whenever I'm out representing the company. But will I be buying from the company who made this hat again? Heck no.